Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 Billion Signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's a new week. If you were following over the weekend, many things happened. Interesting. Donald Trump started reporting what's going on. They require for full transparency, as they call, regarding his COVID case. It's gonna be very interesting. Something that I'm a little bit surprised how S&P 500 and American indices in general started going up, pushing up immediately after something that actually it's kind of obstacle for his elections, especially right now before November's elections. But yeah, the markets. So let's go and take a look what's going on the calendar. Composite PMI services PMI today 8:30 GMT time. ISM non-manufacturing PMI 2 p.m. for US, and this is how we start a week. Tuesday, Australian interest rate decision 0.25%. Is the forecast according to previous they are going to keep the same interest rate. Most probably construction PMI 8:30 in the morning in UK, and not many events on Tuesday. Quickly, Wednesday we have FOMC meeting minutes, FOMC statement, of course. Probably the event this week. Very interesting to see how it's going to, what's going to be released as the information as news. Crude oil inventories 2:30 for the crude on Wednesday, and 6 p.m. by the way GMT for the FOMC meeting minutes. Thursday we have ECB monetary policy statement 11:30, 12:30 initial jobless claims, and this is it. Friday GDP manufacturing production for UK. I definitely wouldn't compare this week with the previous one. NFP week is always the most volatile, but we have events that definitely could bring us volatility. Euro US dollar, we start directly with the charts because it's interesting how the euro is holding the support 1.17. It seems it's strong enough to hold the support, but it's still very important to wait because this is not a very big bounce from the support level. We talk about just 30-40 pips. It could be also caused by the American indices push since the morning. Let's see what is going to happen. But for now, I'm waiting for the euro US dollar. GBP US, still waiting for good short opportunity. It's getting better, even more clear. 1.2933, still holding the resistance, and I think we can definitely see further push to the downside. So GBP, I'm looking for good bearish potential entry. Australian US, we talked about it that it's relatively speaking compared to the other currencies. We definitely see Australian as very strong currency, the Australian dollar, but it seems like reached the resistance level. I'm going to move this one to the new one, 0.72 round number, very strong resistance level, and definitely we can see today, tomorrow push to the downside or breakout to the upside, but I think we definitely can see push to the downside. New Zealand US, kind of similar. We don't have very strong resistances like the Australian dollar. Because of this, I prefer to trade to looking for potential opportunities about the Australian dollar, not the New Zealand. USD CAD going directly to the crude oil. Tried to push actually 2 days in a row, $3.5 per barrel. Push for 2 days, not the biggest of course, but it's definitely not small. And almost reached the support level, 36.11. We definitely can see 34.61. This is crucial level for the crude, so around 36.50. So let's see how the crude is going to behave, but until then I don't think buying opportunity is good for the crude. So if we see further push to the downside, Canadian going down, USD CAD going up, this one is caused simply because of the weakness of the US dollar. It's very interesting. Absolutely potential opportunity for the short, ignoring the crude oil potential drop, but you have to manage it very conservatively. If you're gonna trade USD Canadian, just manage it conservatively. USD Swiss, one of our favorites, as you know, staying right below the support, right below the resistance, sorry, 0.92. Let's see if the price is going to hold. But I think we have definitely potential to see this currency pair heading to the support level 0.90512. It's a matter of time to see, but I think USD Swiss has a lot of potential to go down. USD Japan, as you can see, right now it's creating something like this. I mean, it's like for a couple of days ranging up, down, simply because USD Japanese for a while, for the last couple of, I even say months, is going almost flat. Nothing super like clear, no clear direction. We have a downtrend as we discussed in the previous video, but we definitely, it's not something that's very clear. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Follow the calendar. We have interesting events, of course. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the newest videos every Monday, Wednesday. Share us and like us on the social medias, of course. Thumbs up below this video if you like it. Support our YouTube channel, of course. Enjoy the week, have fun. Expect my new video on Wednesday, and of course, have a very profitable week. Bye bye.